Good evening, my brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for the warm welcome, your love and affection. And it's an inspiration, it's a privilege to be among the vibrant people like you. It's a God's gift to be part of this family and this vibrant family. I thank the Almighty and thank you for making this happen. It's a great day in the life of Indus Viva. Thank you. There was a very big purpose when we started this Indus Viva. Can you go to the next? This is what I believe in. I truly believe in this. For us, Indus Viva is our life, it's our purpose, and it's our destiny. As far as I'm concerned, my life starts with this company and ends with this company. And I'm sure most of you will have the same feeling for this organization. It was started with the belief of building an empire, building a legacy, which will last for the generations. It's just not for you and me, it is for the next generation. Our children, our grandchildren will be working in this organization. Unless otherwise, we are not dedicating ourselves for a purpose like this, for building an empire, building a legacy. Our life is not worth it. Now, why Indus Viva? What's the difference? What makes Indus Viva different? I'll come to the few points. Can you change the slide? No, go back. The first one, the efficient management. Yeah, stay there. Increasingly, management's role is not to organize the work, but is to direct the passion and purpose. The passion is to build an empire. The purpose is to build an empire. Our management consists of visionary leadership, a group of experienced, qualified professionals having spent decades in this industry. I myself have spent almost 28 years in this industry now. Highly qualified professionals, including medical doctors, PhD holders. Strength in developing clinically tested and scientifically proven products. Professional expertise in maintaining international quality standards. It's not easy to build a sustainable organization. Today's world, there are many companies which comes and gets vanished, which destroys the trust and motivation of many youngsters. Indus Viva is different from that. We are going to stay. We are going to stay for this century. That's the difference. That's our way about building. The most important thing about Indus Viva. It is a people's company. It's your company. It is truly built for you. Like I said before, we as a team assure you that our kids and our grandkids will surely see this company to become the best and the largest product selling company in the world. It's our assurance to you. We want to see our kids working there. We want to see our grandkids working for this organization. It's your company. When we say this, I want to highlight one particular thing here. Many of you might know Mr. Joseph. He's an integral part of the company. When we started the company, our association with him is more than 18, 20 years now. His kids are working in our parent company now. I used to carry them as kids when they were 2 years, 3 years old. It's a wonderful feeling to see them sharing our responsibilities. So it's almost 20 years later, I can see them sitting in the office and taking up a lot of challenges for us. So that's how this company is going to grow. When I say it's a people's company, I just want to highlight another important thing here. The GST got implemented. The taxes, GST implement हुआ, taxes 6% से 12% हो गया, right? इससे 18% भी कर दिया.